Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 18 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2375. Construct smallest number from DI string. Okay, so let's read the problem statement first. You are given a zero index string pattern of length n consisting of the characters I meaning increasing and d meaning decreasing. Okay, a zero index string num of length n plus 1, okay, of length n plus 1 is created using the following conditions. Num consists of digits 1 to 9 where each digit is used at most once. Okay, so we have digits from 1 to 9 and we have to use each digit at most once. Okay, use it or not use it, but if you are going to use it, then use it at most once. All right, if pattern I is I, okay, if pattern of I is equal to I, then num of I, okay, number at that particular index I, okay, it should be less than num of I plus 1. Okay, and if pattern of I is D, right, then num of I, it should be greater than num of I plus 1. Okay, next number, right? So if my pattern is I, okay, let's suppose at index 6, okay, then the number at index 6, it should be, let's say it is 5, okay, it should be less than the number which is at next index 7. Okay, so if the pattern of I is I, okay, if it is D, then it is opposite, right? And we have to return the lexicographically smallest possible string num that meets the condition. All right, now let's understand this with an example here. Okay, so this is I, right? So if a pattern is I, then I need a number at this particular index, okay, and that number should be less than the next number. Okay, so here I am choosing 1. Okay, so see here, if I'm choosing 1, then in the next index we have a number which is greater than this one, right? So this is the requirement, right? Then here see, for this next I, we have number 2 and the next number is greater than the current number, right? So 2 3 here. Okay, so 1 is less than 2, then we have 2 which is less than 3. Okay, then we have D. Okay, here, so D simply means that we need a number at this particular index, okay, which should be greater than the next number. Okay, so here then we have here 5, right? And 5 is greater than what? 5 is greater than 4 here. Okay, this is what we are using. Okay, so here for this I, we pick 1 and then 2 here. Okay, then for this we have 2 and 3, then for this we have 3 and 5. Okay, and then for D, if you see, we have 5 and 4 here. Okay, so we have to find the lexicographically smallest possible string. Okay, so here we will see how we are going to get this output. Okay, so here add indices 0 1 2 and 4. Okay, we have I, so we must have num of I should be less than num of I plus 1, next number, right? And at indices 3 5 6 and 7, we must have num of I greater than the num of I plus 1. Okay, so some possible values of nums are this one, this one, this one. Okay, but we need the smallest, so definitely we are going to choose this one. Okay, it can be proven that is the smallest possible num that meets the condition. Okay, all right, and we don't have to repeat the numbers like here 1 2 3 4 1. Okay, so here 1 is appearing 2 times. No, it's not possible because the digit 1 is used more than once, right? 3 times we are using, right, 1 here. Okay, so this is not a valid case. Okay, we have to use each digit at most once, right? So now how I'm going to solve this problem. Okay, so to solve this problem, first thing here, one thing is clear, right? Like for this D, okay, let's suppose this is D. So for this D, there should be one number. Okay, let's say 7. Okay, there should be one number and the next number should be greater than, okay, next some number should be less than this 7. Okay, so 6 we are using here. So here for this particular D only, we have one extra here, right? Right, this is a requirement. So if you see the length of this one pattern string, so its length is 4 plus 4 8, right? 8 is the length. And if you see the result length, it's nothing but 9, right? 4 and then we have 9. Okay, so 9 is the output length. We have to create one string builder, right? Let's say that name is result. Okay, in the result I'm going to now add these values. Okay, so I'm going to simply use the stack. Okay, so now how I'm going to use this string builder and stack. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so this is my input, right? And if you see, the pattern length is here nothing but 8, right? 8 is the length, right? And in the output we have length is 9, right? So I'm going to run a loop, okay, from 0 to my pattern length is 8 in this case, so 0 to 8 I'm going to run one loop. Okay, and now first when I'm at 0 index, okay, so I'm going to insert a number which is nothing but index plus 1. Okay, so at 0 we can't insert 0, right? So 0 plus 1 I'm going to insert that number in the stack. Okay, so I have inserted that one stack. Okay, okay. Right now I'm at 0, right? So I see that I is here. Okay, I is here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop it and I'm going to add 1 here. Okay, so next time in my loop I will insert 2 in a stack. Okay, so when I'm going to insert 2, I will see that again we have I, so I'm going to pop it and I'm going to add 2 here. Okay, next time I will go to 3. Okay, I will insert 3 in my stack and I will see that next number is I. Okay, here in the pattern next character is I, so I'm going to pop this 3 and I'm going to insert this 3 here. Okay, next time I'm going to insert 4 in my stack, so I will see D is here, so I'm not going to do anything. Okay, so next time I'm going to run 5 then. Okay, and as soon as I add 5, I will see that we have I here. Okay, at the next index we have 5. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop all the elements one by one. So first I will pop 5, right, and then I will pop 4. Okay, I will insert this. Okay, done. This is done. Okay, so now after 5 we are going to insert 6. Okay, and I will see that I is not here. Okay, at 6 index. 7 index, okay, I'm going to add 7, right, and I is not here. I'm going to add 8 and I is not here. Okay, and then we have to run till 8 na, and for 0 I'm also adding 1. Okay, and for 8, okay, I'm adding index plus 1 na, right? So here 6 7 8, and again here if you see in the last we have nothing. Okay, so again my loop will go for 8, so I will add 9 and my pattern ends. Okay, pattern ends at 9. If you see, there is nothing out of mode. So now again when my pattern ends, I'm going to pop all the elements one by one. So first I will insert 9, then I will insert 8, then I will insert 7, and then I will insert 6. That's it. This is my output. 1 2 3 5 4 9 8 7 6. Okay, so here if you see 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, these are the indexes. So here we have I, right? Here we have I, so here we have I, right? So here in these places 1 is smaller than 2, 2 is smaller than 3, and here 3 is smaller than 5. Okay, and here we have D. So if for D you see that 5 is greater than 4, right? And then we have I here. Okay, so if you see, so 4 is smaller than 9. Okay, and here we have D, 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 and D. So 9 is greater than 8, 8 is greater than 7, 7 is greater than 6. Okay, done. So that's what we need to do. Okay, so constant size is very small. Okay, and since we are using stack, so everything is going to done in off and time complexity. Okay, in this problem. So here see how what I'm going to do here. I'm going to create one stack. Okay, I'm going to run one loop from 0 to pattern dot length. Pattern dot length is 3. Okay, so for 0 1 2 3 I'm going to run. Okay, so this is my result string build. Okay, in this I'm going to append the result. So initially at 0, okay, so D is here. Okay, not I. So I'm going to I'm going to insert one number first. Okay, 0, that means 1. Okay, index plus 1 I'm inserting in the stack. Okay, and I will check it is D, so I'm not going to append anything in my result. Okay, then I'm reach here, I will add 2, and next index we have D, not I, so I'm not going to do anything. Okay, next time we reach here 2, so I'm going to insert 3. I'm not going to do anything here. Next time we have 3, I'm going to insert 4, and now at 4 this ends. Okay, and once this ends, then again pop all the elements. So first 4, then 3, then 2, and then 1. Okay, this is going to my output. That's it. Okay, easy. Now let's write the code. It's so easy, right? Okay, so here what you need to do, first of all, create one string builder result. Okay, string builder result is equal to new string builder. All right, and then here create one stack of integer. Okay, and here just name it as num stack, right? And here new stack. Done, right? Then we have to iterate through the pattern. So here just run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than pattern dot length, right? And here I plus 1. So first of all, I was saying that first we have to push the next number onto the stack. Okay, this is what we have to do every time first. Okay, num stack dot push, and here I can simply write I plus 1. Okay, I plus 1 we have to push, right? 1 to 9 we have numbers we can use, right? So if I is encountered or we reach the end of then only we have to pop all the stack elements. Okay, so here if I is equal to pattern dot length, okay, or pattern dot char add index I, okay, if it is equal to caps of I, then in that case only we have to pop, right? And here run one while loop, okay, while my num stack is not empty. Num stack is not empty, okay, is not empty, so we have to pop all the elements, right? So here result, and we have to pop the elements and add that to result as well, right? Result dot append num stack dot pop. Okay, done. And now in the end you have to just return result to string. Okay, return result to string. All right, now let's run the code and see if any code issue. We'll try to fix that. So yes, there are some issues. Let's see where we are getting. Okay, it should be less than and equal to now, right? Now let's run it and let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.